I gave out tickets all last week on my show. Primus, those damn blue-collar tweakers on Extreme X.
Seen a mile of song that found in 16 pages. Truckers song years late have been known to ride the rails. Sweat is beating on the brow and keep these fellows down, cause these family car drinkers, they're running this here town. Drywall, he hung it mighty quick. I trip right through the Buffalo Road, went up him through the train. Foreman had him on the back whenever he would come around, cause these damn blue-collar tweakers, that belong to give me a style. Boys are there to protect us from all the corporate type. While Curious George's drug patrol is out here hunting snatch now. They try to tell me different, but you know I ain't no ground, cause these damn blue-collar tweakers, they're the backbone of this town. Eyes are growing weary as I finalize this song. So sit back and have a cup of joe and watch the wheels go round, cause these damn blue-collar tweakers, they have always